Christmas Eve in London. Who in the world could resist it?
Humbug.
The cost of that ink will be deducted from your pay.
Merry Christmas, Mr. Scrooge.
Yes, yes. Ding dong merrily.
I have arranged for 3 visitors to call on you before morning.
Oh, hello. You can't change the past, but you can learn from it.
Are you ready to live your life now? In the present?
This is far more agreeable than what your predecessors had me endure. So what's next, friend?
And now, to the triumphant musical climax of this celebration.
I love Christmas. I love Christmas.
It is a lean Christmas, but we have each other, and we have the children. There's only one problem. Not sure whether to stuff the goose with the stuffing or stuff the stuffing with the goose.
Am I the only one with the power to change my life? To change the lives of others?
You can't escape your past, mate.